Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. If you got yourself a Galaxy Note 10 or a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 10 awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your brand new Galaxy device. If you're ready to explore the best tips for the Galaxy Note 10, then definitely go ahead and share this video with your friends. Smash the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Let's get started with today's video. Alright, so let's kick things off with the first tip, and that is opening up apps in the pop-up view. In order to get into the pop-up view from the recents area, you can go ahead and press and hold on any of the app icons like this, and then you can go ahead and hit on open in pop-up view. So that way you have this movable app that you can minimize or you can expand it from here, and if you want to get it back to the pop-up view, you can do that as well. And also you can change the opacity of the application from here, so that's pretty useful, pretty handy feature, especially on this powerhouse Galaxy Note 10. In the next tip, let me show you how you can quickly switch back to the previous application on your Galaxy Note 10. So if you're using the gesture based navigation bar, all you have to do is just go ahead and slide right on the home button over here. So if you want to know how you can enable the gesture based navigation on your Galaxy Note 10, definitely go ahead and check out my first 10 things you should do on your Galaxy Note 10 video, that is linked down below in the description. So definitely go ahead and check that out in case if you haven't already, because in that also I go through some of the most important things that you need to change on your smartphone. Once you have the gesture based navigation enabled, you can easily switch back to the previous application by sliding on the home button. If you don't have the gesture based navigation and if you have the traditional navigation bar, just go ahead and double tap on the recents button and the same thing will happen. Since this is the Galaxy Note, it has the S Pen, and now let me show you how you can unlock your smartphone just with your S Pen. So in order to do this, you need to go under advanced features, and from here you need to go into the S Pen settings, and then the second option here is called unlock with S Pen remote. If you enable this, once your phone is locked and if you just have your S Pen in your hand, you can use the button on the S Pen to unlock your smartphone. And once that is done and once you have your S Pen with you, you can go ahead and press on the button on the S Pen and your smartphone will be unlocked just like that. The Galaxy Note 10 also has a screen recorder built right into it, so it is also available under the advanced features, and from here you can enable the screenshots toolbar as well as you can change the screen recorder settings. So you can record just the media sounds or you can record the media sounds along with the microphone, and you can adjust the video quality from 1080p, 720p and 480p. You can also change the selfie video size if you want, and how you can actually start a screen recording is by pulling down that notification shade and scrolling into the second screen, and now there is a button called screen recorder. So if you go ahead and hit on that, a screen recording will start just like this, and there's a small bar that comes up, so from here you can go ahead and stop it, or if you go ahead and hit on this pen button, you can go ahead and easily annotate things on the screen, or if you go ahead and press on the user button, your face will pop up. So pretty useful feature built right into the Galaxy Note 10. The Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus are quite big smartphones, and sometimes it might be a bit hard to pull down the notification shade from the top, especially if you're holding the device with one hand. Samsung actually has a setting to change that, which you can find under the home screen setting, and that is called swipe down for notification panel. So now if you just swipe down from the home screen in an empty space, it will just pull down the notification shade, and if you just swipe up, it will open up the application drawer. This is pretty handy. And while we are talking about the notification shade, if you just swipe down with one finger from the top of the notification shade, it will just pull down the notification shade. But if you just swipe down with two fingers, it will directly give you access to all the quick icons that are there at the top. Next, let's talk about the always on mode that is built into the Galaxy Note 10, which is available under the lock screen under always on mode. So here you can actually go ahead and select the times you want the always on mode to show up. I actually have set it to show always, but you can schedule it as well. And from the bottom you can change the rotation as well as enable music information as well as automatic brightness, but I prefer to actually have it at the maximum level of brightness because I don't really care about wasting my battery. But that might vary with you, so you can adjust it accordingly. And from the settings area you can go ahead and select which type of clock you want as well as change the color. So there are various options that are available, as well as you can create custom always on mode displays here. I actually have a dedicated video on that. If you want to check that out, definitely check that out. I'll have a link for that down below in the description. You can make some amazing always on mode options using that, and I'm sure you can get some awesome stuff out of it. On the Galaxy Note 10, if you want to save some battery life, you need to go into the device care option, and under battery here there are different power modes that are available on the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The first option is the high performance battery mode, which will max out everything. You can use that if you want to show off the power of your smartphone. Next is the optimized option. So this will be quite optimized and it will give you a good balance between performance and battery life. Next option is medium power saving, so this will actually extend your battery life. The final thing that you have is adaptive power saving. So what this will do is it will actually check your usage patterns and save the power when it's not needed. So this will be a smart way for you to have the best performance on your device. Definitely give that one a shot as well. The Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus also packs a virus scanner powered by McAfee that is built right into the security section of the smartphone. So you can use that to scan your smartphone to make sure that there are no viruses or any type of vulnerabilities that are there on this. So it's a good idea to go ahead and do a security scan once in a while to make sure your device is 100% safe. If you use the default launcher on your Galaxy Note 10 and if you want to hide some applications from this, you need to go ahead and go into the home screen settings, and from here you can go into the hide apps option, and from here you can select what applications you want to hide. That way those items won't be in your way. In the final tip, let me show you how you can adjust the notification app icons. If you want the notification app icon to show the numbers, you can adjust it from here, or you can let it show without any type of number. That is what I personally prefer, so I have that enabled. From here you can also enable the home screen notification viewing. So from the home screen, if you touch and hold on an application, it will show the notification details. Well guys, those are 10 awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your Galaxy Note 10 or Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I have made a bunch more Galaxy Note 10 videos here in my channel. Definitely go ahead and check them out as well at youtube.com/Andro Dollar. And if you found this video useful, definitely go ahead and share it with your friends. If you have any video suggestions for the Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus, definitely drop a comment down below and let me know. And definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now if you are new to my channel. And also go ahead and hit on the notification bell icon next to the subscribe button if you are new to my channel as well. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.